I have invited here today 3 industry experts to have a panel discussion on software.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Macintosh software dating game.
Welcome to the Macintosh software dating game. Software CEOs, could I please ask you to introduce yourselves?
Hi, I'm Fred Gibbons, President of Software Publishing Corporation.
Hi, I'm Mitch Kapor, President of Lotus. We do a product called 123.
My name is Bill Gates. I'm Chairman of Microsoft. And during 1984, Microsoft expects to get half of its revenues from Macintosh software.
Software magnate number 3. When was your first date with Macintosh?
We've been working with the Mac for almost 2 years now, and we put some of our really good people on it.
Software CEO number 3. Will Macintosh be the 3rd industry standard?
Well, to create a new standard, it takes something that's not just a little bit different. It takes something that's really new and really captures people's imagination. And the Macintosh, of all the machines I've ever seen, is the only one that meets that standard.
Software CEO number 3. Describe your ideal relationship with Apple.
Well, we'll be selling our software independently, so the key thing is that Apple gets a lot of consistent standard machines out there quickly.
Well, sorry, Steve, time's up. We'd like to give Steve a few moments to decide today's winner. Okay, Steve, who's the winner?
Apple's are red, IBM's blue. If Mac's going to be the 3rd milestone, I need all of you.